Okay, we got a little project to do today. We are going to put that box right there, all that stuff is going to go on right here. So we're going to have to take this off to get that on there, and we'll go ahead and go grab some tools and we'll get started. So for the record, this thing did not come with any instructions. I happened to just kind of figure out how to put it together, and then I want to show you this one part right here. You can see this piece right here. I actually had to Dremel some of this off here so that this piece would fit in there like it's supposed to. Oh, and in order to get that on there, you had to take off the hand guard right here to get that on. Now bolt that together and put this piece back on. So I got this bolted back on, and this piece here is going to go here, and then I'm going to bolt this piece is going to go on here, and it'll look like that. There you go. So here's a tip for you. Actually, to get this piece, these bolts right here and there, I had to take this back off to get those bolts to line up to that bracket underneath there. So a piece of ice, get this started before you put this piece on, and then bolt this back on, and then tighten these down. And then this will go on. I'll bolt on up here like that. And I did find out where these little, let me see if I can get one out of there. Set those bolts down. I think I got a screwdriver right here. So you can see right here, that piece, this little guy right here goes in here to bolt that down. Okay, we'll get that done and we'll go to the next step. So if you see on here, those little silver washers ended up going underneath this bolt right here, because if you don't, you can't tighten it down enough, and then you got play in it. So put that on there, and the nut, that bolt down in there actually gets, well, you can't see it, but right there, there's a nut underneath the bottom side. So now we'll put this on, and that's where these little screws come in, and then this part will be finished. So got the box back. Ended up having to go up to BMW like 2 times. No, actually 3 trips, because first I went and picked it up. Second, I took it back to get the key. This part, this lighting's not very good. Anyway, had to get the key cylinder for the key cylinder for it, so you can open it, unlock it. They didn't have it. They had to order one, overnight it. So today went back up again for the 3rd time. Now I have it, and it's on there. And it seems like it's gonna serve its purpose. It's a good box. Do I think it's worth what they want for it? No, I don't think it is. But you know, if you want it, you gotta pay for it. And there it is. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this will help you out. Have a good day.